It's a very good morning to everybody in the city of Lagos, Nigeria, or anywhere you're watching this video around the world. Today is day 3 of our 25 days video challenge, and I want to do this quick video. Okay, as part of the process and some other things we are going to do during the course of this training. You will need to sign up for an exchanger, and I told you yesterday I mentioned a lot of exchanger. So for the purpose of this training today, I'm going to be using signing up with the instant gold. Okay, I'm not only using the instant gold, I'm using instant gold because they are proved to be reliable, okay, over the years. So that's why I'm using instant gold was established in the year 2007, okay, and since that time they have been rendering e-currency. They are market leader as far as I'm concerned right now, okay. So what our business right here today is to sign up. So I'm going to do that right now by clicking on the sign up button. So that's where I am right now. So and at the bottom of this video you're going to see the link to sign up, which is istanbul.ng. So right now, okay, email, not disposal only, right? You can see you will be able to supply e-currency and all those things, your bank details and everything, things like that. One thing I want to tell you right here is that very important for you to read instructions, okay? Like here now, account login detail. This is one of the things I'm talking about. They are reliable, so someone is always ready to talk to you, right? So, you'll be able to supply your e-currencies like cryptocurrency or bank detail later from your account when you log in. So it's trying to tell you that all those other information is going to be required. We deal with Nigeria, living home and abroad, and general resident Nigeria only. Do not register if you are not in Nigeria or non-Nigeria living in Nigeria, as your account will be deleted by admin, right? So do not register with fake details, as you'll be required to verify your email, phone number, full name, and an address, okay, if you buy funding from us. Yes. So all these things are very important. You don't need to register with full first detail. Make sure you enter the correct value as account. With any incorrect values will be deleted. These are terms and conditions of this thing. So you don't want to register with fake. If your name is Shola, don't put Chinedu there, right? So add Shola there. So you need your surname, your other name, your contact address, your state, your sex, that's the gender, the date of birth, your phone number, and you do this. Then you register. So after you register, okay, I have an account already. After you register, you'll be able to see where to enter your bank details and every other thing. So I will log in right now to my account. Right. I will log in right now to my account. I will need to pause this for security reason. So we'll meet at the other side. Alright, so I just logged into my account. Yeah, just logged into my account for security reason. As I said, I will meet here. This is the other side I'm talking about. Right? So here now, these are the transactions and the transaction history. These are the transactions. There's an instant withdrawal for getting to your bank account instantly. It's available for order from $1,000 while orders is within 24 hours. Right? Withdraw transactions. These are the transactions that you can see: $88, $22, $23, $24, $24, right? So as it's dropping gradually, small, withdrawing. So these are transactions I've done with this. So this is my account. So you, when you log in, can you see my instant gold account? This is my instant gold account. Okay, so from there you can fill some other details, right, to see your details. Then at the right hand side here, take this internet to make it this money, right? So from the right hand side here, you're also going to see where you can enter your bank detail or update your bank detail. I've already have my details there already. I have my details. Right, so this is my salary of investments. My bank account, okay, transaction. They do referral program, but I'm not doing referral anything. So you can just go to instagram.ag and if not, I'll like just put my link there. That's not really what I'm here for. Okay, so you guys, it's another way to make money too. But you guys can just go to Istanbul. Right. I'm trying to show you account detail. Right. So here on the account detail, you set up your account detail. Right. So you can see this one. Right? Phone number, that's what I'm referring to. You can see I've been withdrawn to perfect money with Bitcoin. So this is my perfect account number, right? So if I want to update my Bitcoin address now, wallet, and put it here, Ethereum, web money, and all these things will be covered. All these foreign currency Bitcoins will be converted to my local account. See the So what we want to do immediately is to set up this, update it, and see how it is. So I'm not doing it currently right now. If you want to participate with the referral confirmation referral too, you can also participate with that. So basically today, what I just want to tell you guys is how to register. Okay, we are done right now. So tomorrow we are going to do with buying and selling. Buying, okay, buying tomorrow. The next tomorrow we are going to sell. Because we found out that a lot of people don't have first-hand information about stuff like this. Because of that, when they have some wonderful opportunity that can make them money, so immediately you mentioned that they are not going to receive it in their account, in their bank account directly. Just confidently because they lack knowledge, right? So I'm once being that way, right? So I get I don't want you to pass through the same route with you. So that's why before we move on to operation $1,500 to calculate per month, we need to learn, we need to know what we need to do. So that is how to sign up then also operation. So tomorrow we are going to be buying. I'm going to buy for this like with live. Next tomorrow we are going to do selling. We're going to see the way I'm going to sell. Alright, so this is what I have for you for day 3 of 25 days success challenge. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.